Welcome to our channel. Now we are learning locus exercise 2.0 implied questions for IPE. First one here, find the equation of the locus of P if A is equal to 4 comma 0, B is equal to minus 4 comma 0 and mod of PA minus P is equal to 4, and a given condition is the mod of PA minus PB is equal to 4. Find out the locus of P. Now condition is given here. Now ఎప్పుడు వచ్చిందట మార్చ్ 2007 అండ్ మే 2013లో వచ్చింది. 4 marks most important question. సరే ఫస్ట్ now given points here. Given A is equal to 4 comma 0, B is equal to minus 4 comma 0, given points. Now let P is the locus. Now let P x1 comma y1 be any point on locus. Now given condition is here. Given condition mod of PA minus PB is equal to 4. Now write it is answer is first. Now PA minus PB is equal to, write it is the plus or minus 4. We know that mod of x answer is the plus or minus x. Now for example mod x is equal to plus 2 there. Now x is equal to plus or minus 2 అవుతుంది. Now అదే విధంగా ఇక్కడ మనకు mod of PA minus PB is equal to 4 ఉంటే PA minus PB is equal to 1 plus or minus 4. Minus PB will be go to right side. Now PA is equal to plus or minus 4 and minus PB will be go to right side. It is the negative. And here positive right there PB. Now both side square of both side. Now it is the meaning here PA square is equal to, write down it is answer is PB plus or minus 4 whole square or plus or minus 4 plus PB whole square as your wish. Now it is the PA square. It is the method of A plus or minus B whole square. You know that A plus or minus B whole square formula, it is the A square plus or minus 2AB plus B square. ప్లస్ ఉంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ తీసుకోవాలి, మైనస్ ఉంటే మైనస్ తీసుకోవాలి కాబట్టి నవ్ హియర్ ఆల్సో సేమ్. అంటే ఇది ఎక్స్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ ఇస్ ద పీబీ. అంటే నవ్ ఇట్ ఇస్ రైట్ డౌన్ పీబీ హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ 2AB అంటే 2 ఇంటూ పీబీ ఇంటూ 4. నవ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆన్సర్ 8. 2 4 8 ఇంటూ పీబీ ప్లస్ బీ స్క్వేర్. బీ స్క్వేర్ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ ద 16. నవ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ హియర్ PA square is equal to PB square. Now write there plus 16 here plus or minus 8 PB. Now PB square take left side. Now it is answer there PA square minus PB square is equal to, here it is the plus 16 plus or minus 8 PB. Now write the PA square and PB square answer. We know that P answer is the x1 y1, A answer is the 4 comma 0 and PA means distance between of A and P. Apply the formula. We know that formula here AB is equal to, or AB square is equal to x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. It is the between A and B formula. Now distance between of A and B formula we know that. Now write it is the x1 minus x2, and here x2 answer is the 4 whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square, y1 minus 0 whole square. It is the PA square answer. It is completed. Now write it is minus bracket start PB square, and it is the P x1 y1, B answer minus 4 comma 0 and x1 minus x2, it is the minus, and write down it is the plus there, and x1 plus 4 whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square. Now bracket close. Now write it is 16 plus or minus 8 into PB, write down as it is. Now open it is అంటే x1 square minus 2ab అంటే that means 2 4 is 8 x1 plus b square, it is the b square means 4 square, answer is 16 plus here y1 minus 0 and y1, now it is answer is the y1 square. Now bracket, now minus, now open it, it is answer is the x1 square plus 2 4 is 8x1 plus b square, that means 4 square, answer is the 16 plus y1 square, bracket close, is equal to write down 16 plus or minus 8 into PB. Now x1 square minus here 8x1 plus 16 plus y1 square, multiply with minus here, and that means x minus x1 square minus into plus minus 8x1 minus into plus minus 16 minus into plus minus y1 square is equal to 16 plus or minus 8 into PB. Now look here, it is the plus x1 square, it is the minus x1 square, cancel. Next one is here also minus y1 square plus y1 square also cancel. Now it is the minus 8x1, it is the minus 8x1, both are minus, add it. Now it is the minus 16x1. Now it is plus 16, it is the minus 16, cancel. Now take this 16 right left side and minus 16 is equal to plus or minus 8 into PB. Now take here minus 16 common, and that means minus 16 is the common. Now x1 plus, now 1, x1 plus 1 is equal to plus or minus 8 into PB. Now here 8 1 ja 8 2 ja, now it is minus 2 into x1 plus 1 is equal to, it is the 2 and that means PB. Now write it is the, we take both sides square again. Now minus 2 whole square, answer is the 4 x1 plus 1 whole square, now PB square. Now look here, now it is the 4 of, open it, and that means x1 square 2ab, that means 2x1 plus 1 square, answer is the 1 is equal to PB, and the distance P and B. P answer we know that x1, B answer minus 4 comma 0. Now it is answer is the x1 plus 4 whole square, y1 minus 0 whole square. Now write it is, multiply with 4 here, that means 4x1 square, 4 into 2 8x1 plus 4 into 1 is 4. Now open it, that means x1 square plus 2 4 is 8x1 plus 4 square, answer is 16 plus y1 square. Now here it is the 4x1 square, it is the x1 square. Now it is answer x1 square, take left side, that means 3x1 square. Now here plus y1 square will be come left side, that means y1 square. Now it is the plus here plus 8x1, here plus 8x1 is the cancel. Now it is the constant is the plus 16, here constant is the plus 4, 4 will be go to right side, that means 16 minus 4. Now 3x1 square minus y1 square is equal to 16 minus 4, answer we know that 12. Now both side multiply here 12, that means 3x1 square minus y1 square by 12 is equal to 12 by 12. Now split here, that means 3x1 square by 12 minus y1 square by 12 is equal to 1. 3 ones 3 4 times. Now it is answer is the here x1 square by 4 minus y1 square by 12 is equal to 1. It is the last step. Now write it is here, we know that it is Px1 comma y1 be any point on locus, that means here x1 substitute right x here, y1 substitute y right here, that means it is the required equation x square by 4 minus y square by 12 is equal to 1, and the required locus, that means now x square by 4 minus y square by 12 is equal to 1. It is hyperbola, it is hyperbola equation. One, look here, it is also 4 marks most important question. A 5 comma 3, B 3 comma minus 2, it is a given points A and B are 2 points. If a point P forms a triangle of area 9 square units. అప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుందట A అండ్ B పాయింట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, అదేవిధంగా P తోటి ఏం ఏర్పడుతుందట ట్రయాంగిల్ ఏర్పడుతుందట. అప్పుడు ఎంత ఉందట దాని ఏరియా 9 స్క్వేర్ యూనిట్స్ విత్ AB. దెన్ ఫైండ్ ద లోకస్ ఆఫ్ P. నౌ గివెన్ A is equal to 5, 3, B is equal to 3, -2. Now if a point P forms a triangle of area అన్నాడు, ఫైండ్ ద లోకస్ అన్నాడు. కాబట్టి వెంటనే ఏమంటే రాస్తాం, లెట్ P x1, y1 be any point on locus. ఎనీ పాయింట్ ఆన్ లోకస్. ఎప్పుడైతే లోకస్ అంటే ఫైండ్ ద లోకస్ అన్నప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ కండిషన్ రాయాలి, Px1, y1 be ఎనీ పాయింట్ ఆన్ లోకస్. నౌ గివెన్ కండిషన్ ఇస్ దే హియర్, ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు హౌ మచ్ హియర్ 9 స్క్వేర్ యూనిట్స్. గివెన్ కండిషన్ is the, look here, a point P forms a triangle of area 9 square units, and that means area of triangle APB is equal to 9 square units. Now write it is the area of triangle formula 1/2 mod of x1 minus x2 x1 minus x3. Second row here y1 minus y2 y1 minus y3 is equal to 9 units. Now do their cross multiplication here. That means here x1 minus x2 x1 minus x3 y1 minus y2 y1 minus y3 is equal to 9 into 2. Next one here x1 x2 x3. Now first quadrant of given vertices y1 y2 y3, second quadrant of given vertices అంటే ఫస్ట్ quadrant ఇది x1, here ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ quadrant, it is the first quadrant, it is the second quadrant, here second quadrant, here second quadrant. Now it is the x1 y1, right here x2 y2, it is x3 y3. Substitute here mod of x1 answer is x1 minus x2 answer is the 5. Now x1 answer is x1 minus x3 answer is the 3. Now here y1 answer is the y1 answer is the y1 minus y2 answer is the 3. Now y1 as it is minus y3 answer is the plus 2 equal to 9 into 2 answer is the 18. Now do there here, it is the let here it is the A, it is the B, it is the C. Now it here formula it is, now here matrix determination antu. Now AD minus BC is the formula. That means here x1 minus 5 into y1 plus 2 minus BC answer is x1 minus 3 and y1 minus 3 mod is equal to 18. Now simplify this, mod of x1 into y1 x1 into 2 plus 2x1. Now here minus 5 and minus 5 minus into plus minus, it is the 10. Now it is completed here. Next this one minus, now x1 into y1 x1 into minus 3x1. Now it is next one is minus 3 into y1 minus 3y1 minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9 mod is equal to 18. Now here x1 y1 plus 2x1 minus 5 minus 10, write down as it is here. Now multiply with minus here, minus x1 y1 plus 3x1 y1 here plus 3y1 minus to plus minus 9 is equal to 18. Here look there, minus x1 plus y1 plus x1 y1 cancel. Now here 2x1 3x1, it is the mod of 5x1. Now here minus 5 it is the plus 3y1, minus y1 plus 3y1 answer is the minus 2y1. Now constants here minus 10 minus 9 minus 19 is equal to 18. Now write it is answer is the 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 19 is equal to plus or minus 18. Now it here, that means 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 19 is equal to plus 18 or 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 19 is equal to minus 18. ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ అన్నాడు కాబట్టి ప్లస్ 18 తీసుకుంటూ మైనస్ 18 ఒక ప్లస్ 18 తీసుకున్నా కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ 18 ఇట్ వస్తే వస్తుంది ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ ద 5x1 మైనస్ 2y1 మైనస్ 19 మైనస్ 18 ఈక్వల్ టు 0. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇయర్ ఆర్ 5x1 మైనస్ 2y1 మైనస్ 19 ప్లస్ 18 ఇట్ వస్తుంది ప్లస్ 18 అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుంది మైనస్ 18 అంటే ప్లస్ 18 మైనస్ 1 ఈక్వల్ టు 0. నా ఇప్పుడు లోకస్ ఏమొస్తుంది అంటే రిక్వైర్డ్ లోకస్ మల్టిప్లై దిస్ టూ ఈక్వేషన్స్ అండ్ దట్ మీన్స్ హియర్ 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 19 minus 18 is the minus 37 and here 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 1 equal to 0. Now it is answer right here px1 comma y1 is locus here. Now x1 substitute x right here, y1 substitute y right here. Now it is answer is 5x minus 2y minus 37. Here 5x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. It is the answer.
డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో టెలిగ్రామ్ ఛానల్ లింక్ ఉంటుంది. ఆ ఛానల్లో జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. మీకు షార్ట్ కట్స్, మోడల్ పేపర్స్ అండ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ పీడిఎఫ్ రూపంలో లభించును.